It was like, I was like, I still got 100% win rate, and I was like, it's not worth it, you know, because it looks bad. So I was like, I don't know. I was sitting in the toilet looking at it. I was like, I don't know.
Man, all I heard was you're sitting in the toilet looking at it, going,
Yeah,
I don't know,
I was
freaking
gonna
me
take
out here.
I was gonna take the goal right now, early,
Oh, okay.
and I was looking at it. I was like, I don't know,
Sometimes,
because
still,
usually during Asia, it always do liquidity graph at the end, always. So that's what I trade during Asia sometimes.
15 only, and then it stopped me out and hit the all-time highs. I told everyone, don't, if you took it, don't close out the rest. Hold it for the all-time high. It's gonna hit it.
He got 80, bro.
Oh, nice, man. Yeah, me too. Wait, what is that? Let me check what time that is. Okay. Yeah, I got in on that candle. Yeah, I got in on, go to the 5 minute. So, yeah, okay, yeah. So I got in there and I got stopped out by this bottom wick on that candle on the run. Oh, nice, man. Nice. The stop loss was a big one. It was 110.
Whoa.
Yeah. Edwin was asking me about the stop loss. He's like, are you going to do the 110 or are you going to do the current candle? I'm like, oh, right now it's at the 110, but we'll see how it goes. I'm looking at it. Oh, nice. Oh, but I did smash it out on GU. My God. Yeah. Closed out at 80. Yep. Yeah. I'm so happy that GU trade played out perfectly. No, this was just a higher time. Yeah, it was just like a big old daily momentum. Everything's surging, so that was it. Because if I was trading that on the 15, I probably would have been stopped out. Yeah. Yeah.
You physically couldn't hold me, I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili, from young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold debt,
Yeah.
gold plate. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready.
And also it's NFP, so it's gonna get crazy. It's like right up there, getting very close. Yeah, I got in like right down there, like over here. Yeah, way over there. And this was the big bearish candle, which got me like thinking like, man, should I close this swing trade? That's not looking good. Yeah, I closed out near the highs at 80. Which is why I'm so like happy with that trade, because you know it's not volatile. So 80 on this, that's like 200 on NAS, 300 on NAS.
What's up, YouTube? What's up? What's up? How you guys doing? Hi, David. How you doing? All right. Let's do smack up gold here. So looking at gold on the daily, I'm not going to mark up this swing high because we have closed above it now. So see what we have on the 4-hour time frame by the time we get there. But we do have this support here. Daily support. What the hell? Why didn't they change? Okay, there we go. And we have this here. And then we have this swing low. We're not gonna get all the way down there, obviously. And then we go to here to the 4-hour. 4-hour. We got this support. And we have this support here as well. One more down there. Now we got 4-hour resistance here. All-time high has been broken. Might have to change it to the 1 hour, we'll see. This 4 hour is not really valid. 1 hour. Okay, I'm gonna switch this resistance here to the 1 hour. All right, so we got 1 hour resistance here. We break that, we're definitely looking for buys. So we got a 1 hour support here. We got another one here. We got another one here. One hour demand. Another one here. Alright, let's go to the 30 minutes, see what we are working with here. So 1 hour demand that had previously. All right. One more demand to mark here on the 15th. All right, so now we wait for London Open. This will be the third time we are rejecting here. Assalamu alaikum, sir. Well, wa alaikum salam to you. Good morning, Tony. Good morning, Janice. Good morning, Casper. Man, the weed I was smoking yesterday before my freaking internet went off, I didn't even finish it. I was so pissed off.
Yeah, I thought you were coming back, man.
Then it came back too late.
Yeah.
If I actually knew what the stop loss of that NAS trade that I took was, I would have sent it to the Discord.
Man, that's kind of crazy if you think about it. You disconnected, but we both took the exact same trade. Exact same entry, stop loss, everything.
Yeah, because before it went off, we was watching it too.
Oh yeah.
That's why I'm surprised you were the only one that took it.
Yeah, I told everyone. I was like, I'm taking it. Taking it. I was actually going to have an even earlier entry if the 5 minute tapped the little demand, but it didn't want to pull back. So it's like, all right.
Even though I took it like on my phone without like actually looking at my computer and stuff.
Oh, on MetaTrader?
I already knew that it already broke the that previous lower high. It already broke and closed above it.
Yeah.
Remember we saw that before it went off.
Yeah.
Good morning, Andrew. Good morning, Addie. Keeps paying my bills. I like that name. Good morning. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, Sean. All right, I'll be right back, guys.
realize all I need is you. I can never get enough. Say she hung way down. Yeah. Always down to have a good time. What they gonna say now? Huh? When they see us running this town. Is it how you move, how you smile, how you captivate everything, how that body move, pretty eyes, got it all, you killing the scene. I want you to be mine, girl, you got everything I need, and I want you. What you wanna do? Let me give you the moon, yeah. Shine brighter than the stars combined. Let me give you the moon, yeah. You and I, we got the stars aligned. Give you the moon. Night is young, girl, we got plans for show. Buckle up and up we go. Reaching for the sky now. Yeah. See the world in my rear view now. Is it how you move, how you smile, how you captivate everything, how that body move, pretty eyes, got it all, you killing the scene. I want you to be mine, girl, you got everything I need, and I want you. What you wanna do? Let me give you the moon, yeah. Shine brighter than the stars combined. Let me give you the moon, yeah. You and I, we got the stars aligned. Give you the moon.
Oh, you just entered a sell on gold.
Who entered?
There's someone on YouTube, Janice.
Oh man.
Actually, if it stays rejecting this resistance, and then if we can get a support, if London Open will start breaking below it, I'll take a sell to myself. previous we had on the 4-hour, previous resistance we had on the 4-hour, this bearish candle went up, waited, and then we closed bearish back inside the range. So we'll see what happens here. Because if you look at the structure, real quick guys, if you look at the structure we have in this range, I'm gonna just circle it. Excuse my drawing. Okay, so in this range, so now when we created this high right here, we created this low. This high created this low, and then this low in return created this high. Okay, failing to break the previous high. Now, this high right here in return created this low. Now, this low that we've created, is this low going to break this high? Right, this is the minor high and this is the major high here. If this low fails to break this most recent high, that means we are going to fall. And what that is telling me is that this high created this low. Okay, so this is our low. We have our lower high right here, and then we created a new low to possibly create a new high, a lower high, right? So you have this low, this lower high. If we stay rejecting, price will come down to create a new low. Now, is it going to break below 2147? That's the question. Are we going to break below 2147, or are we going to reject 2147 to stay in this range? Or are we even going to break 2154? Because we might just keep ranging here until after NFP or something. We either break below or break above. So I am willing to take a sell. This is looking like a quick sells to me right now. Are we gonna get it when London open though? That's the question.
Man, it looks really good on the 5-minute right now.
Even on the 15. Let me see the 5. Oh yeah. Yeah, it does. You have this minor support here though, but with volume, it should break it. Good morning, Eugene Wayne. So what I'm expecting to see is pretty much this. And are we gonna break 2147? We'll find out. But with volume, we should break and come back down towards 2147. I mean, are we 2154? Are we gonna break 2154? I don't know. But if you ask me, we should come back down to 2147. Oh, Lucian took a US 30 trade. When?
Yeah. when I was taking my NAS trade, he decided to take a US30 trade.
Oh, what did he take? Buys or sell?
He took a sell.
Sell. Was a very nice losing trade.
Oh, nice.
But
Wait, win or lose?
yeah, I was taking the sales on US 30.
Yeah, so that was a loss.
Yeah, well, a loss.
Oh, it was a
But
loss?
Yes.
Oh, I thought it was a win. That's why I said nice.
No,
Because,
I don't know.
Yeah, I did advise. I did say I wouldn't take it. I think it was gonna ultimately go
Yes, but
bullish.
my indicator was the problem.
Oh man.
And on the NAS, I send you a picture. You see only bull candle, only green candle, only buyers were stepping in. On the other hand, on the US 30, I was seeing sellers, and I thinking, man, I take the sell. And then I saw the demand. It touched the demand on 50 minutes, and then US 30 fly, and I close.
Yeah. Oh,
I think the demand and supply is more accurate than any indicator.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Respect, very, very good.
and the reason I was advising against that because NAS was going bullish, gold was going bullish, dollars tanking, everything's going bullish. So it's, you're trying to fight that steamroller, that freight train. So it's better to just like, okay, you know what? I'll just avoid US 30 and I'll just take NAS buy instead. Or I'll take like, you know what I mean?
It was a good,
I'll take
good choice.
I'll take a setup that goes with the trend or whatever.
Yeah, and I saw my 4 hour supply was wrong.
Oh,
I didn't mark it correctly, and I think he touched the 4 hour demand, but it was the 15 higher, and this didn't touch it. No problem. You're learning with mistakes. But I have this issue. When I testing something new, I test it on my money, and it is not a good thing to do. When you test something new, you need to test it on the demo account, not on the real money.
No. Even if you don't want to take the trade on a demo, back test it multiple times. At least back test it for a whole month.
Yes, but yeah. Now I look on this on this delta. When we take a trade, I look to, for example, yesterday, if I had my indicator open, I will stay in the trend, because on the gold below was more buyers in the market than sellers, and I will still hold the trade, because it was not, I don't see sellers at all. Like yesterday in Nasdaq, I told you I see only green candles, only buyers, only buyers, only buyers.
yeah.
The sign
And that
to
made
hold
me
the
feel
trade.
real good.
Yeah, I send you pictures in Discord. Below this candle means that the delta is the difference between the buyers and the sellers, but only the aggressive sellers, only market orders. And this is from the real exchange market, not spot. The data.
Even the good buys we took down in London yesterday, if we didn't move the stop loss, it was a win.
Yeah, that I say also. But sometimes this is wrong also, because I see on US 30 the delta, they show they were a lot of sellers, but the price go up. It's not always 100% right.
Oh, and let's say there was a lot of sellers, but the thing is, they were wrong, right?
Yeah, or wrong, or the institution manipulated the price with limits. Because if they buy with limits, normal appears like sales orders, but were buy limits, and this appears on the market like sales orders, and they trick you. You think it's sales, but instead it buys.
I caught 800 points on NAS yesterday, which is 80 pips. After my internet went off.
Yeah, Abe decided to copy my trade. This guy.
So when I asked in Discord and you said you took it, I was like, man, well, I guess you guys took it then, but looks like it's just you.
Yeah.
If I'm not available, guys, Wall is the man. I know what I'm saying.
Just want to let everyone know I haven't taken a NAS loss all year.
You see?
This year, no
There you
NAS
go.
loss, not one.
Wait, have we? Let me see. I don't think we have. Let me see. My smoking sativa, yes. Trying to see if we've taken a NAS loss this year so far. Oh yeah, we've taken a NAS loss once, US 30 once. Yeah.
I'm actually undefeated on US 32.
That's good. Both NAS and US 30, we've taken it. Yeah, I've taken a loss once. And so far, we've traded both NAS and US 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, 13 times so far this year, both NAS and US 30, but we've taken more US 30 than NAS.
Oh, I got equal. I got 6 US 30 and 6 NAS.
Oh, okay. So we 90% on both NAS and US 30.
Amazing.
Not bad.
What's gold?
Gold. Let's see. That's the thing I don't like about this journal. It doesn't say the one I have was like, it tells you what the win rate for each pair is. I have to.
Go to the stats page and you see the big all pairs box.
All pairs. No. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, click on the little arrow. Yeah, and then you can click gold and it'll show you just your gold stats.
Oh, I didn't know that. Wow. Okay. 70.
Oh man, freaking February.
Yeah, it was February. But the account gain is crazy though. You wanna know what it is?
What's the counting?
42, just gold alone.
Wow. Oh shit.
42.
Nice.
NAS is 83% win rate. Account gain 10%. 5 wins, 1 loss. See, that should be 90%, but hey, US 30. Ooh. 2 losses on US 30, 3 wins, 60%, 8% account gain.
Wow.
Yeah, US 30 is low right now. Man, I don't even want to tell you what GJ was, so I'm gonna keep quiet.
Man, I'll tell you my GJ, 0% wins.
GJ is 25%.
Oh man. 2 losses on GJ, no wins. God damn it.
So NAS number 1 as of right now, followed by gold, and then US 30. You still in the cell, Jadis?
Only safe stop losses above here.
Yeah.
And that's where the monster seller was from yesterday.
Yeah, but if this candle closes bullish, especially if we tap this resistance again, if we start crossing this support, I'm definitely taking this out. You 10 pips in drawdown now? Oh man.
Man, you might have to endure some more drawdown. I would expect, another candle like this. Wick in here.
Yeah. Is your stop loss above 2164, Janice?
Caught it like a running back. All over your body like a lumberjack. Me and you against the world, we running that.
5% risk per trade. No. This year I've not risked 5%. I've been risking 2%. 5%, that was last year.
It's like I knew you all my life. Oh, baby, I can feel the connection. I'm ready to start a commotion.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Do you use the boss and chalk in your analysis?
Mm-hmm.
Because I understand better because I trade this boss and chalk. For example, this is the high on H1 and this is the
You said
previous
something.
high.
You said box and chalk. What's
Yes, boss and chalk.
chalk? What's
Break of
chalk?
structure, chalk is change of characters.
Oh.
So this is a high, and this high break this high, this low break this high. So that means this is the chalk. When the price close below the chalk, we can look for sales from here.
No,
you use this.
So if you actually look at this resistance to the left,
But on 1 hour chart.
so if you look at this resistance to the left, we didn't close above. We grab liquidity above it.
Yeah, here it's a closer.
We didn't-
It is here.
Okay, so if we look at this one here too, it's not a strong closure. It's still rejected and then came back down inside the range. So we don't have that, what do you call it again? Chalk, change of character? Oh, that's ICT stuff. Yeah, it didn't
No, not ICT, just market structure. You can call it what you want. Swing low, when the low that breaks the high break again, you can look for sales. Or
Yeah, the change of character stuff. I mean, I say that once in a while, but it's just breakup structure, man. Breakup.
Yeah, it's just a name. It's not nothing that he invented. It's just the break of previous low that break the high, or a major swing low. And this break.
Oh, hey, actually, your last two trades were like, yeah, they're around 5% risk. Your last two trades, I just checked your journal. Yeah, they're around 5% risk. Is your last trade, you made 80 pips and you made 4.6%, which means if you lost 80 pips, you would lose 4.6%.
The last one, don't even look at that because I don't even know what my stop loss is. I just freaking put in. I just looked at it. Okay, this is the amount I'm willing to lose. You know what? Let me go down. I actually used 4 lots on that trade.
And then your gold trade yesterday, you lost 2.3%. So, and you managed risk on that and adjusted your stop loss tighter. So it was probably like closer to 4% risk if you didn't manage, if you didn't close out half.
Man, I don't know how you guys be calculating this stuff. Once I calculate it, so let's say I have let's go with 10K, $10,000 account. If I say I want to lose 2% of $10,000, that's what's that? $200? Yep.
Yeah.
$200. Okay, so that's $200. That's what I'm willing to lose. And let's say if I decide to go with a 1 standard lot size, that means my stop loss cannot be more than 20 pips. This is how I do it. This is how I do
but
it.
you can see with the journal, because if you lost 2.6% on the gold trade, and that was with managing your risk, right? You closed half at a small loss, and you
So
tightened
that
your
means I
stop
would
loss.
have lost 4%.
Yeah, you would have lost closer to 4.
Yeah, but on the next trade, your risk is like 10%. Because he closed full on 50 pips and was 2.5k on 100 pips stop loss. If this go to do the SL was 5k.
Yeah, what you guys are pointing out right now, I'll be looking at it too, like, what the hell? How is it? It should just say 2% or 1% if that's what I'm risking. So this journal, if it says, so for the for gold trades, if it says full, that means I use at least 5 standard. If it says half, sometimes I will use 2, sometimes I will use 3. If it says half, lot size. And then for the indices, sometimes I'll use 5, sometimes I'll use 4, sometimes I'll use 3. It varies depending on what the stop loss is. The last yesterday I used 4.
Man, that was a good trade. That was so nice that you held it.
Held it. I didn't even like look at it. If we were trading together, of course I would be looking at each other and I would have closed out early. But I got in, just freaking set the stop loss to the bottom of that crazy candle with the long bottom wick, and I just closed my phone and I just started doing something else. when I looked at my phone again, I did look at my phone again. It was at 40. I'm like, man, should I close? I started thinking, man, what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? No, man, I'm gonna just leave this thing. It should get to TP.
Did you move your stop?
Yeah, I moved it.
Okay.
I moved it to be.
I'd be like, man, Abe's a real baller if he looked at 40 pips and was like, nah, I'm gonna leave my 110 pip stop.
If they tell you I did that, won't you fight the person? 40, man, if I don't get it, I'm moving to be. You start risking 20%. Nah, don't do that. Don't. Nah. Match is gonna be good. I can feel it.
Man, March is already good.
You hoping that the XY finally starts to work as it's always freaking bullish. Okay. Depending on, I don't know where your stop loss is, Janice. That's why I was asking you earlier if it was above 2164. But really, this thing should fall. We have bullish overall, no doubt, but this range between 2164 and 2147 that we're on right now, gold should fall. So it's just going to be a quick sell because it should go back bullish. If you look at when we fell here, though, where was this? NY session. Yesterday, you had all this right here to the left. It ignored everything completely. Right here, it ignored this, just fell. So I'm anticipating it's going to do the same thing here. So if we take a sell, entry will be right here. Don't know where stop loss is going to be right now, but for now it can be right there for 50 pips. GP1 and final GP will be down here. Check it 1 to 5. London session opens in 7 minutes. 7 minutes.
And if you want to look from buy from here, we need the break and close from here, or
I feel like it's coming. It's going to come down to 2147. If it does not come down to 2147 and gets to 2154 instead, I think we just go into range before NFP, until NFP. I mean.
yeah, I need to train my market structure, and then
Yeah, if it, that's the main issue you're having right now. So I'm gonna explain the reason why I'm anticipating sales. So we are bullish overall, no doubt. We are bullish overall, but however, from 2164 to 2147, that is the range that we have. And if we start looking at this from the bearish side, when we created the high at 2164, actually, first of all, the previous high that we had at, come on now, the previous high that we had at 2161 failed to break, 2161.57. We failed to break and close above it. Instead, price went up, grabbed liquidity above it, and then we came back to the range. When we got here, we did the same thing again. Okay, we did the same thing again. So we kind of rejected it twice. Now, if we now look at when we created the high itself, when we grabbed liquidity, we came down, created this low. Now, this low did not break any major structure. So when we created this low, you still have that bullish structure. That's that. Now, this low now created this high. Right? This low down here created this high. Now, the fact that this low failed to create a new high, failing to break above the previous high at 2164, the fact that that happens, that was the first confirmation for possible sales. Now, when we created this lower high in return created this low at 2154. Now, this 2154, this low, got up here, right, at 2162 and rejected, meaning this high is still below this high at 2163. So what that's telling me as of right now is that right now, this high created this low, we created this high, this lower high, for price to come down to either create equal lows and then drop, or create equal lows and then do whatever, just keep ranging here or whatever. So that is why I am anticipating sales here. I hope that makes sense. Just going with the lower time frame structure, not the higher time frame structure right now, because if I'm going with the higher time frame structure, then of course I will be looking for buys. But we are going to go back up for sure, but for now I see this falling.
yeah, thanks very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Very good explanation.
You're welcome.
And the change on the trend comes from the lower time frames.
Everything starts from the lower time frame.
Yeah. The main error that I make, and so, because we consider a break of a high like here, but it didn't close above the wick.
No, he did it to rejection.
Yeah. Before I consider a break.
Because if you were to use the body, obviously then we did break above. If we were to use the body, but you can't. I mean, you can. Some people use the body, but me, I don't use the body. I use the wicks, because at one point in time, price got to that level. We just didn't close there. So since price got to that level, why am I trying to skip it? I'm not gonna skip it. Price go to that level and rejected there. So since price rejected there, I need price to break and close above it.
Someone says that the top of the week is the best buyer and the worst seller.
On? What? Oh?
For example, here, this top of the week. Here is the best seller and the worst buyer here. And I need to be someone big, because push the price down. And if you break and close above here, that means it's someone stronger than this guy here that sell here. And the worst seller get out here.
Yeah.
Also, one more thing is, if you're like looking at just the body, you could say, well, it broke the lows, right? It broke the highs, but then it came down and broke the lows.
Yeah.
And also, we have to kind of also think that, okay, NFP today during New York session, are we gonna just, ramp and just go crazy when we've already been crazy for the entire week? Like absolutely crazy bullish for the entire week? Or are we gonna trade within this range, which is more probable?
Yeah, that was what I was saying, that if we do fall, it should at least get to 2154 and possibly range because of NFP.
Yep. I think that's a easy target, the one that you've got marked up. That's like very good target.
Yeah. If it fall, I'm at least expecting that equal low, or come down and grab liquidity above 2154.
Yeah.
I mean, below 2154, I mean. So London is open now. I'm a scalper. Yes, I am. So let's see if we're gonna stay rejecting, or we're gonna break above 2164. You a scalper too? So if we take this sell, we are looking at about 50 pips stop loss here. Gold is still volatile.
Don't worry, Edwin. They didn't mean it. It's 49.7 pips stop loss. You'll be good.
I just like to round it up. If Edwin can have 5 pips stop loss, he would do it.
Man, Edwin, you need to check out that Tetra FX guy. I think that was his name, Tetra FX.
Yeah.
Man, you want tight stop loss.
Easy,
Man, that guy got tight.
He's a scalper, but he trades 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15. But most of these trades are only 1 minute.
I still can't believe he like goes break even after like 4 or 5 pips. It's like what? How? I'm going break even after 15 pips and I'm still getting stopped out. The fuck is going on? Yeah, I saw stream loss. Seems good.
Huh?
Seems like a nice guy. Tetra. Was it Petra?
Yeah, Tetra, Tetra, whatever.
Yeah, Tetra, right.
Yeah, he's a good guy.
Yeah. Oh, what happened with Don yesterday? Anyone know? Did he get out of break even? Oh, one. No sweat off his back. 100 pip drawdown, 10 pip profit. Fuck yeah. Let's go, boys.
Oh, 610 pips. Your goals is 25 pips, but you won't ignore 10 pips. If you're talking about gold, that's easier to get though in New York.
Johnny's stressing, suffering in silence right now.
Oh, your stop loss might be above this resistance, above this wick to the left.
That ain't gonna stop the stress.
Yeah, because it's not looking like she wants to, but let's see.
Oh, I don't think it will break like now in London session. I don't think so. But I'd still be stressed because I'd be like, man, are you serious? I got in near the bottom and I was pushing up.
I thought they said sell the top and buy the low. What's going on here? Praying that it's just 1 hour top wick. Oh yeah, because the 1 hour just opened.
Oh yes,
that's a good. The previous 1 hour actually closed good, nice though.
Yeah,
and it's still rejecting 4 hour. Still rejecting 4 hour. But what I like to do is, if I have a 4-hour resistance like this, for example, and then I go down to the 15-minute time frame and we dip inside this box like this, after coming down, I would just take a look at the 1 hour to see if there's a 1 hour resistance as well. If there is, I would just use the 1 hour resistance, and that's why I'm using the 1 hour resistance right now. And I'm gonna delete this because some people will still be asking, oh, are we in? What are you waiting for? Even though I have a test set that clearly says not in yet. Daylight saving switch from Sunday, ADS Sunday. It's just for us here in the United States. The time is going to go back an hour, so that means London session, as of right now, London session for me starts at 2. That means from Monday, London session is going to start at 1. So that means I'm going to have to be on here at least 12:30. The London session is going to start at 1 o'clock for me. Yeah, an hour early, yes. What time zone am I in? I'm in CST. You're welcome.
Morning, everyone. Morning.
Morning by FX.
Man.
How are we doing? I heard you caught 80 pips yesterday, King. Amazing.
Yeah. Yep.
Amazing. Walled with his 15.
Oh. Oh man.
That's what you get for moving your stops to be too early.
Yep.
I dig my London chart. I don't know what you mean by that. Oh, this is ugly right here, right now. Shit, if he breaks it, that's even better. if this candle closes bullish, I don't know, Denise, you might lose this trade.
I need a second. I need to think this through. Your words are weapons.
Oh wow, with that journal, is there a way I can check to see without just going all the way back? So is there like a shortcut to see which session has been better this year?
Oh.
I don't think so.
I mean, there is on the stats page, just the session section.
Oh.
On the top
yeah,
right.
yeah. Okay. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, so to answer your question, man, I preferred London Session, but so far this year, London Session has not been good. And this is all because of freaking February. But so far, New York is the best as of right now. New York is 74% and 74% win rate, and London is 58% win rate. It's gonna go back up, but that's just where it's at right now. So far this year, New York has been better, but I still prefer London Session. If this candle does not, if this candle flips bullish, it's over with. We should close above. But if it comes down and then also close bullish, then we still got a chance for the sales. So whatever this bearish candle does, if it keeps coming down, I don't care. I'm going to wait for it to close. And also it's got no top wick, so. And the previous candle didn't close with a top wick either. Where am I from? I'm Nigerian, but I'm from the... What did I just say? Man, I'm Nigerian, but I live in the United States. Yeah. Man, I might start talking now because I'm getting high. So I might talk a lot today. You're in SoCal. Oh, okay. LA, Orange County. San Bernardino, Palmdale. Where? I used to live in Northern California. I don't know, Hampton. Laguna Hills. I don't know where that is in SoCal. Let's see how this 30-minute candle close. And this entry is probably going to be a 30-minute entry. But we'll take it on the 15. It's going to depend on this bullish candle. So pretty much how this 30-minute candle closes.
Slowly, you take me for a ride, yeah. I go see you through together, baby. You scatter the streets, your vibe is so divine. Don't you for lie, you know even try to. Nobody can match you. Don't you for life, sexy mind and body. You already got me now. Hey, you know I get it. Hey, you know I get it.
Oh, no. I'm not taking it right now. We need to close above the resistance before I even think about getting in buys. It's taking forever. I have patience. When will we live trade? How I trade? This is how I trade. What live do you want to see again? You're already looking at how I trade. This is free knowledge, free game. Every day.
Did Don manage to get out of his trading profit? It was absolutely tanking at one point.
Yeah, Kidderbeat said he did.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Kidderbeat said he assumes he did. But earlier you said he won.
Yeah. Yeah, earlier you said he won.
Cutie babe, you got caught. You can't escape this.
One pip.
You see? Now he's saying 1 pip, 2 pips. He said 2 pips.
Kilderbeat's too busy killing GJ right now.
Yeah, I saw his GJ trade. Nice one, Kilderbeat.
Kilderbeat, when you setting up a stream, when can we watch your GJ?
He said it's coming. He said it's coming.
Kilderbeat,
I told him to start doing the Asian session. He said it's coming though.
100%. Let's get the King Abe community going.
Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight lit. Yeah, let them know who got the crown. Girl, who does it like you do? Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it with her crew. Yeah, don't need that drama. She calling your mama. Ooh, that.
No, I'm not looking at the 1 hour. This is the 15 minute. This is the 15 minute. I just don't like to use this watermark because I don't know. It kind of, like disturbs my view. It obstructs my view. I don't know. I guess I have a different vision. Like I don't want nothing like blocking me. I want to see.
No, I agree.
Each candle. That's why
I look at that.
That's why I don't use it.
Like I look at where the candles are, and that watermark is it's like distracting.
Yeah, it does something to me. Like I don't want to see it.
Yeah. Like they should have put it somewhere at the top, at the bottom, to the right, to the left, in the middle, like something. Not center. If I can switch it, I will switch it. If I can move it to the right, I'll move it to the right. So sorry. I don't use it. It's right there. The pair I'm looking at is right at the top left-hand corner. If you can't see it, you're probably watching from your phone. If you're watching from a computer, you're on YouTube, just maximize your screen on YouTube. You'll see everything clearly. If you're watching from TV, man, you shouldn't have no issues at all. You don't even need to maximize. Live trading videos like this, whenever you're watching them, you need to be watching it from at least a laptop. iPad is okay. Tablet, it's okay, but I wouldn't recommend it at least from a laptop.
Well, as you can see, gold is flipping. The 30-minute is about to close, and we're going to close above in 2 minutes. It can happen. And then on top of that, the 1 hour is going to close in 30 minutes. If we don't close above it now, as long as the 1 hour closes above it, that will be massive. That will be massive, and then we will now have at least a 1 hour demand sitting right here. Then we just wait for price to come back. That's our first demand. Price come back, and then we take buys. For now, we can't make a demand there yet. Not yet.
Whoa, what the hell?
Okay, so we closed above on the 15-minute, 30-minute, closed above too. So for now, we're gonna switch this to at least a 30-minute demand.
My broker is completely gapped upwards. Wow.
What the hell?
Volume.
Volume.
Please tell me no one was in sales.
Huh?
Please tell me no one was in sales.
Oh man, it was only one person that said he was in sales.
They just got clapped.
On YouTube.
Oh, ouch.
Gold want to reach Bitcoin price.
Already broke his all-time highs. Gold investors will probably be selling this thing.
I wouldn't be surprised if this just kept pumping until NFP.
Man.
Yeah, at this point.
Don't even say it. Let it pull back first.
Yep. Let us in. Let us in.
If this demand does not hold, we're still gonna go back up. And that's what I'm gonna wait for. And that also means that if we do not break below 2154, I'm not interested in sales, simply because the move that broke this high started from 2154. That's what we have now. So we can break these lows, so start looking for quick sales. Hey, Caspero, how you doing? You don't trade good anymore since last week? It was basically an invite to sellers to enter on resistance and then shoot their ass out. When am I gonna take a trade? When I do, you know.
On me, yeah. No escaping from my mind, but low key. You know that you one of a kind. Wanna show me, baby, the things you feel do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere that I be, yo. All you wanna do is party, yo. I know. You are the type that they warn me about, when I'm with you, all the wrong feels alright, She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, hey. Fashionably laid on purpose, all eyes on you.
This could have been a clean 50 pips profit. Taking it back from good for a bit. Every time it pulls back a little, it skyrockets back up. Please explain. Waiting for FOMC. I am looking for a trade, and we don't have FOMC today. I should roll one up. Nah, I'm good for now. If I roll another one up right now, man, before you know it, all you hear is me snoring. I'll be knocked out. Oh yeah, I'm already high. Look at my eyes. You can't tell. My eyes are small as hell right now.
Listen to it.
Is that what? I look Asian. That's because my eyes are small as hell right now.
He's high as fuck.
You can't see my eyes. Well, that's how small my eyes are right now. That's a rare Asian. Conspiracies. Look, laughing my ass off. Look, Asian. New name, Zing Abe. That's crazy. Zing Abe. I'd like to see one more bearish candle.
One more question, King. Now that we have close above here, we can consider this 15 a major support. On 15.
Which one? This one here? Yes, on the 15, yes.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Wait. Did you say major or minor?
Major.
Oh no. It's still a minor because this is the bullish, the major bullish move down here. This was the one that started it, and this was the continuation. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
So
this was just a pullback from the starting to move.
Yeah, you had this bullish run first down here, created that high, then it created, this was its low, and then its low eventually broke the previous high.
Okay, so we still need to break this to consider sales from here. If we have a
Yes, yeah, for the major, yes, but if you can get a sell from this minor, meaning we come down and then we close below here, as long as we do not get back down to 2147 before we reject, because if we come back down to 2147, price could just
reject
reject back up, because you also have a demand sitting right there to the left. So but if we do something like this, for example, and then maybe we have a supply, anticipate that rejection for price to continue falling.
Because we have space retest or break here. But if it touch here, it's dangerous to take sales because it can go higher. Yes. Okay. Thanks again.
You're welcome. I'm too high for questions. Oh man. As long as it's about trading, I'm not too high for that. If it's
Never
something,
too high.
if it's something else, then yeah, I'm definitely too high. But trading, nah. Nope.
What's the meaning of life?
What's the meaning of Now, there is also a chance gold might not pull back to the demand because you have a resistance sitting here. They could just give this one candle retest, break its high, and then continue. But I won't be taking that. Especially because gold break all-time high. Right now, I'm pretty much clueless to whatever is on the left because I have nothing. I have nothing to go with to the left. So, break and retest with just one candle? Nah, I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna patiently wait for it to come back to a demand. If it comes, I'll take. If it does not, then no trade.
Won't you be my number one, number one, number one, number one, number one, number one, number one. Won't you be my number one, 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 nothing but number one.
And then also as well, the 1 hour is yet to close above. It might pull back to a demand level once the 1 hour closes above. Hopefully that's what happens because it might continue. So we'll see. We shall see. You tired of this BS, Nicholas? New York has been giving setups though, like almost every day. We've taken a lot of gold trades this month. Let me see. Check this journal. So we've taken 40 trades on gold so far this month. Oh, I said 40 trades this month. What? Nah, was that what I said?
Yeah, that's what you said.
Oh damn! I meant to say this year.
It's okay. It's okay, man. We get it. We get it. We're used to it.
Edwin said that's 10 times more than me. Damn, Edwin, you've taken 30 gold trades this month?
No, four.
Yeah,
Wait.
10 times 4.
Yeah.
You see? That's maths. You see, I suck at it. It's not trading.
That's okay. That's why we love you.
Yeah, it's all good.
Really? That's why. That's not a good why. That's not a good why.
One day, maybe at the end of the year, we should all just have a session where we all just get buzzed and try and trade.
Ooh.
You're on your own. No thanks.
Last day of the year. Full margin.
Yeah, I mean, why not? Well, just do it.
Because I like my money.
Wait. We just do it like the last trading day of the year. Like
yeah, and just like one lot.
December 22 or December, yeah, whatever month it is. Day, I mean.
I'm gonna have to like use a 0.01 lot. If I can even fucking figure that out in my
That's even if you're able to take one. Because you might be over there sleep.
Or I could go full retard like that person that would posted up, shorten gold from like 2000 and hold it on for dear life.
Oh man.
I can't recall when you came through that door, yeah. Glowing like a headlight, independent of the way, got her bread right, yeah. Hard to ignore, sexy body make a jaw hit the floor. Won't you come over now? Just let me hold you down. Nothing else matching your type, nothing else matching your type, yeah. Oh, I feel the magic in the air. And when you give me a taste, I swear. When you give me a taste, let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur. I will let you make up your mind, but I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be a chauffeur.
wasn't expecting your all-time high to in London. Yeah, me either. I wasn't. With the way gold has been bullish, you gotta be very, very careful with sales. You need more confirmation to sell. That's why the people that have been getting clapped on sales on gold are the sniper entry traders, the pending orders traders. They're the ones that will be getting clapped with the sales on gold. Oh, you're 2 weeks clean? Oh, really? All right. Nice. As you stream Asian session today, please, you do realize I have a life, right? Outside trading. Happy Women's Day. Finding snipers. Let's see if this 1 hour will close above. This minor high here. It's gonna close above that one, so that's not bad. Barely closed above it, but that's good enough.
No, I wasn't on the toilet, bro. I've just switched over to my iPad. That's all. I think when I come into a Zoom call, the camera's automatically on. So yeah, go watch that.
Yeah, don't want to be in the toilet with the camera on. Abe.
Yeah, Abe. We all saw too much of Abe.
It was legendary. That's what. Yeah, good does not want to freaking come back there. I'm looking for Iggy and I can't find it.
What's this in the YouTube? You need a partner on stream to make it more engaging. Yeah. What do you think Wall is?
I know, right?
Yeah. What are we? Chopped liver? Jesus.
Exactly.
I need a partner on stream to make it more engaging.
I am offended right now.
Yeah, you want to put that dish in your mouth.
Wall is side chick. Great job, Michael, in 5 days. 5 days of W. Good work, bro.
Nice, Michael. Does every come back to fill gaps? I know it sounded crazy at this point, but it's a gap on the daily around 18. What? 1832?
Forget about it. Forget about it.
We're not seeing 1832 for probably not in my lifetime.
I've heard that saying before, that every gap fills, but that's not true.
Nah. I would have had all wins this week if not for yesterday's gold trade. Which was it turned out to be a win eventually. right about him. Last week Friday, gold didn't give us any entries.
Yeah. If that 1 hour just had a deeper bottom wick, I would have been in there easy.
Yeah.
This looks too good not to attack that demand, that first one.
Yeah.
That's what's so annoying about it. I think it might feel that wick first.
That would suck. Because then you're getting like a double rejection at the top,
Yeah.
then comes
Yeah.
down.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
In a buy, took it on 15 minutes since broke previous candle low. 1 hour looks to be good for a wick fill.
Yeah, I can see that. I get that. I just needed a deeper pullback. Yeah, didn't like that 1 hour. Be nice if this 15 came down now.
I don't like this type of retest when it comes to breaking retest on the lower time frame, because the way this candle close, you have pretty much have a rejection at the top, rejection at the bottom. That's what you have. This bearish candle. And the top wick is even longer than the bottom wick. So for whatever reason, you even have more rejection at the top than you do at the bottom. So breaking retest setup is a no for me here. I'd rather like this candle. I'd rather wait for this candle for price to break and close above it, and then keep waiting. It would be nice if it comes down. Alright guys, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back.
I love reading the YouTube chat.
Did something happen?
When you go to take a trade, please explain. Are you already high? I can't see your eyes. Oh, you can't be here. You can't be here unless you fail a piss test. Oh man. Oh, Taco Tuesday went in for sales earlier. Oh, ouch.
There's a guy in chat promoting his Telegram. Damn. He gonna get banned.
You're up, kill the beat.
Damn, gold. Damn. Yeah, buy gold. Come on, man. There was a 5-minute setup for gold, but just wasn't good. Just didn't look good because of where the demand was on the higher time frame, 1530. It's not a valid demand. Oh wait, no, that's valid. Yeah, but just not. Don't look good. Man,
See if we can break that wick and see what happens.
to the guy who asked, it's like, when are we gonna take a trade? Bro, we're professional chart watchers, okay?
Yeah, we don't take trades here.
We just watch charts. Get high, watch charts. Good life.
And you're sitting here watching us sit here, watching us watch charts.
All right, Goldie. I've said this before, I'll say it again. A lot of traders don't like supply and demand simply because it's a very, very patient strategy. So an impatient trader is gonna find it very hard to really learn supply and demand until that trader understand that trading, man, is 80% freaking waiting. Whatever your strategy is, you're gonna have to be patient. It's just that some strategy, you gotta wait a little bit longer. And there's nothing wrong with that. If you have a setup that's already working, there's no need to change it. If you get a setup, you take it. If you don't, you move on. The way I see this right now, we're gonna have to wait for the 4-hour candle to close. Then we might get a position. You're chasing only 15 pips. Don't chase. Stop chasing. Man, this thing is too slow. What the hell? Let me go back to just to try that. Man, that's why I'm trying to change it now. At least something better.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.
Let me listen to the instrument first. Yep, and delay, pretty much. Hi, Tux. Did I win yesterday? Nah. This is the speed version. Let's see. Man.
trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, you like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. What if transits, going off to different places, different planets? Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees. The stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go?
Well, we are going to have to wait for the 4-hour candle here.
a girl with confidence. When a girl will roll her hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When a girl who can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know what I want. When you tell me what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down. We keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me. We know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep with the guarantee and wine. So kind of you get started. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, almost kidding, lift my head up like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam.
Well, I'll be right back, guys.
Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, jam, show ya. You should me to call you when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have him all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give him this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, you she don't love man. You she break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to you clean and proper. Where I move, I know you can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
Wow, good. I'ma see. I'ma wait and see what the 4-hour candle is gonna do.
I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in late, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. Finally don't be no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in late, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
we got we got a minute and 30 seconds. 44-hour candle to close. Alright, for our candle just opened. Let's see what happens here.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe.
This rejected.
On my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my
Man, what's going on here?
All these opportunities were just across the bridge. The world was more than twice the size, and now I was a kid. Traded in the comfort zone for life, I'm on the edge. I was gaining on my dreams, holding tightly to the pledge to myself. Was quick to move, was waist deep in the sand. We were starving to beat off all the seeds that we planted. Somewhere back a couple of years in the attic, I almost ditched the plan. To ship the work to the label back when the bars were bland. Man, on my word, though I followed through on prior engagement. The tip of my tongue not far from the innovation. Now it's mine for the taking. Tell the people mistaking me for somebody to toy with the plug.
Well, YouTube, thank you guys for helping on. If you want to trade the NY session with us, my private community link is down below in the description. Alright guys, God bless you all. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday. YouTube, Zoom, I'll see you guys during NY session.
All right, thanks, Abe.
You're welcome. We'll see what happens during NFP today.
Middle 2010s, stuck in a place secluded deep in my mind. I'm looking out through the lens. Was in a rush to become who I am. Looking back, then I realized that I do it again. All these unfamiliar faces fade from existence. Back with impeccable time, and I've been forgiven, but I'm never forgetful. I kept it solid and simple, stuck to the real. My word been a bind, yours artificial. You frequent with the slip up. Used to love this shit more like this was all that I needed. Travel the edge of the world and mix the pleasure with business. Took my time on it, won't benefit from overdue revision. Learned through they lackluster love is rooted deep in the evil. Won't tread water lightly, the waves intimidate them. Won't lend my hand much too often. I set the expectation. Now I navigated dolo, unclear on praises you gave. When there's the finest line between jealousy signs of your vibration. This one's for them calling me crazy, more for the ones that told them pay me no mind. Those were the words that shaped me. Well rounded it would appear that I pieced it all together. Standing here puzzled at the way we built up the foundation. This one's for the brodies, I got us. Get 50-50, keep it some of 100. Make do what life has got us. Let go and wait and put faith in the process. Make the most of it. All we got is the time we allotted. Call it how I see it, provide our witness statement. The way things were gone, I'm all in on the table. They made the plan for their night, I made the long-term arrangement to take it up to a peak that we no longer afraid of. I just wanna be your everything. 'Cause that's who you are to me. Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. 'Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy, and I don't wanna seem lonely.